If you're a woman entrepreneur over 40 who is dealing with burnout because your business feels heavy and everything feels like it's coming at you all at once, this video is for you. You're going to learn that maybe it's not about working the same way you did in your 20s and 30s, but tapping into the wisdom that you've built up over time. Let's talk about this. Some of you are listening and your days are just filled with a flurry of activity. And you may be wondering, will you ever get a break in your business? The thing that brought you so much joy when you started is now feeling overwhelming. Just like you have hit this middle age span, so has your business. Some of you have been at your business and working on your business for 10, 20, perhaps even 30 years. What it takes now to run it is different. But you have also grown. This video is about helping you think strategically about how to use your strengths, how to bring your personality into your business design. Let's talk about it. As entrepreneurs, the hats that we wear require all of these different facets of energy and effort from us. But along the way, I've talked to many women entrepreneurs. And there's this one common thread that I keep seeing. Many are joyful and energized when they are building their business to reflect their actual personality. When their business is built and designed to work with how their brain works, how their personality flows, their business seems to flow a lot easier. We're going to name 4 specific personalities and the key differences in how they may find energy and what they may find draining. And then at the end, I'm going to tell you about something that I've built to help you figure out which one of these personality types you are, give you strategies on how to build a business that's more sustainable, that brings you joy. So let's talk about personality number 1. This is the personality that loves taking fast action. Decisions need to be made fast and furious, and they love it. But when there are moments in their business that require a lot of detailed attention and slow pace, it drains them because they're built for the pace, the energy, the effort. That's where they get their joy, not the drain of all of the detailed work. But then you have another type of personality that derive their energy from people and spending time with other people, socializing, and just building healthy relationships. That's where the joy comes from. But for them, give them something tedious or slow, or take the people out of the equation, and all of a sudden the business loses its joy. For these particular people, working in isolation, looking at detail after detail after detail causes stress, burdens, heaviness. But to a detailed person, There's no stress and heaviness in looking at the details. The stress and heaviness comes when they have to make the quick, fast-paced decisions, or when they have to spend their time socializing. Then you have one other personality that thrives on slow, steady, steadfast progress. But their business, when it gets fast and furious or requires way too many interactions, it's a drain. But as a woman entrepreneur, your business requires that you wear different hats. So how are you supposed to wear these different hats, meet your business's needs, meet your customers' needs, and still have energy? Traditional advice tells you delegate, delegate, delegate. But for solopreneurs, who do you delegate to? And for others who have small teams, you recognize that there are still decisions that you have to make, that as the leader, your vision and your perspective is what's leading and guiding your business. But what if I told you that there's a way to tap in to how your natural personality flows so that you can find more ease and joy in accomplishing all of the myriad of tasks that your business requires, but with less stress because it's designed for you? I've left in the comments a link to a tool I designed for this purpose, to help you first identify who you are, how you're wired, what your personality type is. And second, for you to begin interacting with this tool, identify your personality, and then ask how you can build your business and accomplish tasks in a way that it doesn't drain you, but instead it brings you joy because you've unlocked the secret for longevity. You're in the middle, and sometimes the middle is called the messy middle. You recognize you still have value. You still want your business. You still desire your business. Your customers still want what you offer. But it doesn't all have to weigh you down. You can find joy again. And that's what I want you to do. If anything I've said brought out some thoughts, I want you to share those thoughts or questions, comments in this comment section below. Also, I want you to take advantage of the special offer I have right now. I'm giving you this tool for almost free for the first 100 women who see and hear this video and know that this type of tool in their lives will change the trajectory of their business. I look forward to you finding a way to bring the joy back in your business. Until next time, you have a spectacular rest of your day, of your week, and of your month. Talk to you soon.